Let's review Muller Onion Chopper Pro, and I'm going to cut onions, potatoes, carrots, beans, and thick-skinned mango. Let's do it. This is Onion Chopper Pro. This is what I got with it. There is two blades, and this is called pusher, and this is a bin. This is where this pusher goes up here and the blade goes here. This pusher clicks into the slot here, and this blade you just put it in and you lock it here. There's a lock, unlock. Then you place this up here, and this one also clicks in. Then this is where we need to place the vegetables or fruits here. Then you push it down here, and you can use this blade too. This is a smaller blade, and this is a little big blade, and we have this brush so that you can clean this one. And the blades are very sharp here, so be careful not to touch it. When I was first trying, I was just gently pushing in, which did not work. It needs a lot of pressure if you do it slowly like this. And this is how it chopped the onions. Now let's try potatoes. So the way you have to do it is you have to press it quickly or hit it hard on top for it to chop. So you need to press quickly instead of slowly. I am using a bigger blade for potatoes, and this is how it chopped it. I'm frying beans now. You can hit it hard on the handle in the front side, and this is very strong, it will not break. And this is how it chopped the beans. I'm trying this new chopper here. Let's try carrots. Let's try the hard-skinned mango here. Any vegetables or fruits, you will have to cut it into smaller sizes so that it will fit on the blade. You do not require to cut it exactly to fit it on the blades. Even if it's a little bigger, it will work. You can place one piece on top of another one, it doesn't matter. This mango piece, when the skin is upwards, I ran into trouble. The skin is so strong, it could not cut it. So it's always better to place the skin down on the blades first. This chopper works very well if you are cutting a lot of vegetables or a lot of fruits. If you want to just cut one onion or one potato, then it's not worth using it, because you will have to clean all the parts of it again, which is more work. So when you're cooking in bulk for big family or for any parties, this works very well, and it makes your life very easy. And it cuts all the pieces into equal sizes. So this is really helpful. Overall, I like this item, and this is so good when we are cooking in bulk.